This is the American Coot that we found on the farm this morning. He evidently isn't flying, and we don't know what's wrong. I couldn't find any breaks in his wing or anything. So he's got electrolytes in his water and a bunch of game bird crumble there in the thing. Just gonna hold on to him for a couple hours until we can assess if he's okay or not, because he was a little too easy to catch. But this is the American Coot, and because we're near the Salton Sea, every once in a while we get an injured seabird here at the farm. Hi, buddy. And they're not endangered. They're, in fact, I guess, I looked it up, they're considered pests in some areas. But he sure is a pretty bird. Really neat looking. Cool feet, too. They're like webbed, but they're not webbed. I don't know how to explain that. Let me just zoom in without making him mad. See how they're webbed, but they're not webbed? Hi, buddy. Anyway, can't figure out what's really wrong with him. So I'm just going to monitor him and see how he does throughout the day. And we'll keep y'all posted.